Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best mini washer and dryer combo for makeup brushes and sponges. The Adjustable Speed Makeup Brush Cleaner Machine by JHZWD. If you're someone who loves makeup and wants to keep your tools spotless without the hassle, this device is definitely worth your attention. First off, let's talk about the design. The silicone cleaning bowl is cleverly crafted with various flexible protrusions, designed specifically to reach every nook and cranny of your makeup brushes and sponges. Whether you have delicate eyeshadow brushes, dense contour brushes, or even those tricky makeup sponges, this bowl's raised strips and unique textures help get deep into the bristles and surfaces to clean thoroughly. One of the standout features is the upgraded motor. Compared to previous versions, this model delivers more power and speed, which means your brushes get cleaner, faster. And the best part? The speed is fully adjustable. You can dial it from a gentle, slow spin to a powerful full-speed rotation, depending on the size and dirtiness of your brush. This level of control helps you customize the cleaning experience and avoid damaging your more delicate brushes. The cleaning bowl itself is deeper by about 2 centimeters, which means you can fill it with water and cleaner less frequently. Plus, this extra depth allows you to wash multiple brushes at once, making your cleaning routine more efficient and less time-consuming. After the cleaning cycle, you're not left with wet brushes just lying around. The machine comes with a hollow silicone lid that doubles as a brush holder, allowing your brushes to air dry upright inside the lid. The silicone material is flexible enough to securely hold brushes of various handle sizes, which is a thoughtful touch for drying and storage. The device also features an extended power cord, measuring 55 inches, which gives you more freedom and convenience when setting up your cleaning station anywhere in your home. In terms of usability, this machine is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small spaces or for those who travel and want to keep their makeup brushes clean on the go. Its electric operation means minimal manual effort, freeing up your time while ensuring your tools stay hygienic. To sum it up, the Adjustable Speed Makeup Brush Cleaner Machine offers a powerful, customizable, and efficient way to clean and dry your makeup brushes and sponges. With its thoughtful design elements, upgraded motor, and handy drying feature, it's an excellent choice for anyone serious about makeup hygiene. That wraps up our detailed look at this mini washer and dryer combo for makeup tools. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your beauty tools fresh and clean.